Hello, this is Monty with M&J Farm. And if you're like me and you have leaking drip irrigation, you could have hit it with a shovel. A lot of different things happen. In my case, a rat got in here and chewed several holes. And so, if you have that problem with just a couple tools, I'll show you how to fix it. All right, let's get busy. Okay, the first thing, of course, is to find where in my case, the rat chewed a hole in it. And I'm going to go ahead and I like just using a sharp utility knife, and I'll just cut that back. I don't want to put my fix on an emitter. Maybe you can see that I have part of my emitter in there, so I don't want that. I'm going to cut that back just a little bit. Okay. Then there's my rat, where the rat has chewed. I'm going to go past that. Okay, the next thing we need are one of these couplings here. Really handy, and I want to screw those all the way in. All right. That's in the out position. I want to screw it all the way as far as I can, get in there. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is take our hose, and I'm going to work that coupling in there as far as I can. Work it in there. I'll take this side, work that in there. Okay, that's probably good. And now what I'm going to do is just screw these outward. Okay. Screw it out there, give it a little tug, and it's good to go. Now that section will work fine. Let me give you a close-up on these, and I'll put these in the description, so if you want to order them, you can. Put our hose on there, and then we're going to turn that all the way out, and that locks our hose in. Okay, same thing on this side. To start off with, we want them all the way in, put our hose on, and we're going to screw them out. And that locks everything together. And that will fix your leaking drip irrigation. I appreciate you watching, and thank you.